Let's take a look outside at what we have happening right now. Rain falling in the area again today. Fifth day in a row that we've seen these tropical showers. You can see they're generally moving right now from south to north. Some of the Marble Falls area, those are those showers right there. I showed you a minute ago live from our camera out there at Lake Travis. We also have some showers down here right on Highway 290 between Dripping Springs and the Oak Hill Y, and then just south of Dripping Springs and around Bastrop, some around Taylor, just east of the Georgetown area. So they're here and there. Let's zoom in on what's probably affecting many folks right now at rush hour, and that is the light to moderate rainfall that is falling right up and down I-35 from the downtown area to North Austin, then down south all the way to the airport, and then back up to the northwest. Some very heavy rainfall, but at least temporarily heavy. It doesn't last very long. From Jollyville down to the Great Hills area, into the Arboretum area, and then along Mopac, they're seeing some rain this afternoon. And then again, right at I-35 and 183, I-35 290 area, that is a pretty decent downpour of rain. Camp Mabry reporting rain and fog right now, and you can see why. That is a live view from our tower camera looking back toward the Camp Mabry area, and we're not seeing much out there, are we? It's 76 degrees right now. That's nice. 75 at 8 p.m., 74 at 10 p.m., so the temperature's not going to move much the rest of the evening. Where it hasn't been raining in the mid-80s this afternoon, but everybody a little cooler than average. Rain and fog and 75 at Mabry. At ABIA, it's cloudy and 79 degrees. Winds are variable at 3 in the city. At the airport, an east wind at 8. Mold count, no surprise here. It's high again today. That's real high, actually. Ragweed, fall elm, pigweed. And tomorrow, look for generally the same concentrations of the same pollens and molds around the state. 80s. It looks weird. Austin, Texas, I think, is the coolest place in the state right now. You don't see that very often. It's because it's raining hard right on Camp Mabry. That's where it's 75 degrees. High pressure parked to the east, pumping in tropical moisture, interacting with the sun's heat every day to generate these showers. Ever since Carl sent all this moisture up here last week, I look for them to develop again tomorrow. Maybe not as many as today, then probably even fewer on Thursday, but still maybe a few. This is the last update for you on Igor. He has been absorbed in a frontal system up here. Hurricane force winds, though, still being reported up in parts of Newfoundland. Tropical storm Lisa, west of the Cape Verde Islands, appears to be going nowhere fast. Our projection over the next 4 or 5 days, maybe Category 1 hurricane by tomorrow, and slowly veering off to the west there as a tropical storm towards Sunday. This may be the next big deal. In the eastern Caribbean right now, there is a storm that some of the computer models turn into a hurricane as it tracks west over the next 4 or 5 days. So we're going to watch that one real closely. There's a very favorable environment for a maybe nasty hurricane out there in the Caribbean. Temperatures tonight falling into the low 70s. Highs tomorrow. I think we're going to keep it in the 80s again. First day of autumn. 70 tonight. Some clouds sticking with us. Rain ending, though. 88 tomorrow with some showers probably developing in the afternoon hours. What are the chances? We'll go 30% where you are tomorrow, 20% on Thursday. Just an isolated rain shower on Friday. We could get back to 90 degrees or above here in early autumn. A little front slips down here this weekend, giving us a slightly better chance for a few showers.